Welcome to Money, Finance, Wealth, your trusted channel for financial advice, wealth building strategies, and smart money management. Today's episode is sponsored by Frugal Wealth Management, here to guide you on your journey to financial success. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights to help you build and protect your wealth. Budgeting is the backbone of financial success and a crucial step toward building wealth. A budget is more than just tracking spending, it's a strategic plan for your income. By mapping out where your money goes, you can align spending with what matters most to you, reduce financial stress, and set a clear path to achieving your financial dreams. Budgeting helps keep you in control. Whether you're looking to buy a home, start a business, or simply save for the future, a budget gives you the structure and clarity to move forward with confidence. A well-organized budget empowers you to take control of your financial future. Budgeting is for everyone, whether you're managing a tight income or looking to maximize high earnings. A strong budget isn't restrictive, it's freeing. It creates financial stability, helps avoid debt, and lets you save and invest with purpose. Budgeting also provides a financial cushion for the unexpected, such as car repairs, medical bills, or other unplanned expenses. Building an emergency fund within your budget creates peace of mind, so unexpected costs won't derail your financial progress. Step 1. List your income. The first step in creating a budget is listing all sources of income. This includes your primary salary, freelance work, rental income, and any additional side hustles. For those with variable income, calculate an average from the last few months for a reliable starting point. Knowing your total income gives you a realistic view of what you have to work with and sets the foundation for an effective budget. Step 2. Track your expenses. Next, it's time to track every expense. Document all spending, from major expenses like rent or mortgage to smaller costs like coffee, streaming services, and dining out. Be as thorough as possible. Tracking expenses can reveal surprising insights into where your money is going. Consider keeping a daily log or using a budgeting app to easily capture these details. The goal is to build a clear and complete picture of your spending habits. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you've tracked your expenses, it's time to categorize them. Group your spending into essential categories: needs, wants, and savings and investments. This categorization helps prioritize spending according to your lifestyle and goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular starting point. 50% of income goes toward needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages as needed to fit your unique goals and financial circumstances. Step 4. Set your budget limits. Now, set budget limits for each category based on your income and priorities. Using the 50/30/20 guideline or a modified version, assign a specific dollar amount to each category. For example, if saving for a major goal like a down payment, allocate more towards savings and adjust other categories accordingly. By setting these clear limits, you'll create a structured plan that's both realistic and aligned with your priorities. Step 5. Adjust and monitor. A budget is a living tool. It's meant to evolve as your life and financial situation change. Regular check-ins, whether weekly or monthly, help you stay on track. Use this time to assess if you're meeting your goals or if adjustments are needed. Consistent monitoring also helps prevent small spending habits from snowballing into bigger issues. By adjusting as you go, you stay proactive and can adapt your budget to any changes in income or expenses. Scene 4. How to stick to your budget. Automate savings. Automate your savings to ensure you're consistently setting aside money for future goals. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts on payday. Automation makes it easy to stay disciplined and keeps you from spending that money on impulse purchases. Use cash for discretionary spending. Using cash for discretionary spending can help you stick to your budget by making expenses more tangible, known as the envelope system. This approach encourages mindful spending by physically separating your cash for categories like dining out or entertainment. Setting small milestones makes budgeting feel more achievable and rewarding. Celebrate when you hit these targets, whether it's sticking to your budget for a month or saving a specific amount. Rewarding yourself, even in small ways, helps reinforce the habit of budgeting. Find a budget buddy. Having a budget buddy, like a friend or family member, can boost accountability. Checking in with each other provides support and keeps the process enjoyable. Common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. Not accounting for variable expenses. A common budgeting pitfall is neglecting variable expenses like car repairs or holiday spending. Building a buffer into your budget for these costs can prevent unexpected expenses from disrupting your financial plans. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting overly ambitious goals can make sticking to a budget challenging. Start with achievable targets, like setting aside a small amount each month and gradually build from there. Small, consistent steps create sustainable progress. Budgeting is more than just tracking. It's about creating a secure, fulfilling financial future. Thanks for watching Money, Finance, Wealth. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who could benefit. And if you're looking for expert financial guidance, our sponsor, Fennel Wealth Management, is here to support you. Reach them at 888-336-8586. Visit fennelwealthmanagement.com, or email info@fennel.com. Budgeting 101. Start today. Money, Finance, Wealth, and Fennel Wealth Management logos, contact details, and a final prompt to subscribe.